Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. This is a strong coin request. My man Mark, I'm sorry I did not see the coin request the other day. My most sincere apologies, and we're going to do better than that. We're writing it down, and we must and we will be better than that here at Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing on seeing these vital coin requests and trading alerts that my subscribers are requesting, right? But you can see we're starting with, on the left side of the chart, this beautiful volume indicator, another another tool in my tool bag that I use to put these basket of indicators that I talk about to make a probability-based trading alert when you're technical trading, right? And this is a technical chart, and we technical trade here. And the volume indicator pro here shows you on the upside of this, there's very little volume traded in between this green lower part of the support box and this orange shithouse box, or last line of defense to the shithouse, get my shit together box down here and my get rich box up here, right? If you break down below that, your next line to get supported is down here with any kind of volume, right? And then your major volume support would be down here. So that's what we're looking at. If you break south of this up here, it's very bearish, right? And then you can see where I have it targeted over there, where that green support box runs into what we're in, this pattern that we're in, this rising channel. This whole time in this coin with our industry exclusive perching tool, I'm going to perch from a high up ring. So just look at me. Hello, hi, it's Vincenzo. Hey, look at me when you think you want to be looking at a face. This is my face, the perching arrow. See, I can perch. I can pivot up, down. I can monitor the price action and possible jabronis being formed at all levels, right? And I can monitor. See, I can survey the rings and keep an eye on the volume indicator as the price is over there, right? The volume is down there. The indicators right here, and then the channel that we're in is down, and I can monitor all this and survey it and make a probability-based decision, right, as I survey. But you can see we're in this rising channel where we have uptrending support 1, or uptrending resistance 1, lower support 1, lower support 2, uptrending resistance 2, lower support 3, uptrending and nearly a fake out and getting rejected off of this ring. 3 confirms the overall pattern in the daily time frame down there, right? This is a daily time frame pattern, and the price was pumping and the volume was pumping, was very bullish all the way to right here. This big volume spike was indicating something was changing. Then you started noticing volume start to decline, but the price started to decline, so it was bullish. Then the volume came up a little bit, but still significantly lower than here, and becoming more of a sell volume, and the price is up and sideways consolidating. Often you notice a rounding top. This is going on a t-shirt soon at vgcinews.com. It's vgcinews.com where this shirt will be, where it has pumping price, pumping volume, bullish. After pump up and sideways consolidation and crashing volume, often you'll notice a rounding top and then arrows pointed to the back as the buyers or the bulls are being exhausted and the sellers or the bears are taking over the market, and the price is going to come down. And usually the price comes down to the 200-day moving average. And I think by the time the price wiggles down, if it waits till the 21st of November, which it's probably going to do it quicker, the 200-day moving average would be right there. The price would be coming down. It would be riding down along this major uptrending support ring like it did back here, and then, or it did up here, right? And then I think it would fall, and you would come down to where the bottom of the channel is the technical target, and just so happens the major part of your volume and the volume indicator, as the perching tools pointed at it, happens to fall down at that 200-day moving average. Now, that's why we start from the far out time frame and then work our way into a super simple, easy technical analysis to trade this manipulated market, right? Mark and my beautiful rest of my subscribers, this is why you have to start from the far out time frame, because if you can't analyze where the price was to give you a better understanding on how the price got to where you're at on current day, you have no way of making a technical trade in a probability-based sense to maximize your chance of profit. You're just gambling and guessing, and you're going to get fleece heisted and shysted by the market manipulators, right? So now you can see what we got going on here. It looks like we are topping out with our industry exclusive drawing tool. You got that, and maybe a fabulous glowing all jabroni enticing double top as you're running into this overhead resistance at $725, and now you're hitting this ring. So you could just theoretically trade in a choppy fashion down this ring and then end up at this underneath support, where that would be your decision time. Can you hold that now for a fourth time and then pump back up? Fuck, I keep forgetting I switch. It's so in your head. Can you trade back down here along this green ring into this major support box, right? Get into this support box along the ring, and then you try to make your fifth bounce up off your support and make another high at this upper ring. That is possible. If you do pump off of here, your next target would be this top of this channel, right? But I think you're going to start to trade down along this. And then if you break that, that's your sell signal, because then you have a fall. You could come all the way down to there, or the 200-day moving average, which would be into here, and by the time you get there, right? So that would be my TA on this. You can continue to play the pattern, right? You buy support and you sell resistance. And right now you're at resistance, so you would sell unless you are convinced, because no, I am not a financial advisor, nor do I play one on my own radio show. This is strictly entertainment and educational. Doug Zisyan, trading alert. Educational only, and my own personal opinions and beliefs on the market. This is not, not a recommendation to buy, sell, or trade or hold securities, commodities, cryptos, or anything else on there. Thank you. But you buy support and sell resistance. And if you think it's going to break right now, then you hold and you play up to this next ring, way up there at $1,400. But I don't think it's going there. I think you're going to start to come down and you sell resistance. And then if you want to make a play in a trade, you buy the support if you think it's going to continue the pattern. When it gets down here, you buy support. And then when it gets up there, you sell resistance. That's how I would play this pattern right now. If you're in here trying to swing trade it, you just keep playing the pattern. So you can see down here, you've had multiple times to play the pattern, but now it's getting exhausted. You buy support, you sell resistance. You buy support, you sell resistance. You buy support, you sell resistance. And then when it comes back to support, you buy if you think it's coming back up for resistance, right? So I would say this is a sell zone, and then support would be your buy zone if you think it's going to continue the pattern. But if it breaks below this uptrending critical underneath support right here, that would be your sell zone underneath that. And the 200-day moving average, that'll be sneaking and slithering and guiding its way up with it. That will be about there. You sell it a few percentage points below if it breaks that key volume green support box, the bottom part of that. It's your key volume right there, the bottom part of that green zone. And then that major uptrending support in your rising channel and the 200-day moving average is your sell zone. I appreciate all my beautiful, lovely subscribers. I got to get back into work. Like, subscribe, and share. And once again, after the 20th of October, all fan mail will be tossed. I just have too much to do. Once again, all fan mail after the 20th of October will be tossed. No more things will be signed. I say that again with peace and love. Peace and love.